Okay. Hello everyone. Thank you for attending the seminar on the term biology. I'm Alan Triasa, the moderator who will lead today's session. We will listen to very interesting question about the biology and of course, there will be a discussion session afterward. So make sure to take notes on the point and prepare your question. To begin, allow me to introduce our speaker today. Is Rahma, who will present a talk on biology. Let's give a warm up.
Okay, thank you everyone. I will try material by ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? Imagine a dense forest filled with birds, insects, flowering trees, and a small stream flowing through it. All of the living beings and the environment for ecosystem. An ecosystem is interaction between living organisms or biotic and their non-living environment. Next. Every ecosystem has two main components. First, the biotic components. Living organisms like plants, animals, and microbes. Second, the abiotic components such as sunlight, water, soil, temperature, and air. Types of ecosystem. One, natural ecosystem like forests, rivers, oceans. A typical ecosystem created by humans such as gardens, large fields, and aquariums. In every ecosystem, every organism plays a role, and energy flows from producers, plants, consumers, animals, the composers, organisms, the breakdown with material, food chains are interconnected to form food webs. All energy in an ecosystem originates from the sun. Energy passes from plants to herbivores to carnivores. However, only about 10% of energy is transferred at each level. The rest is lost as heat. For life to continue, essential elements like water, carbon, and nitrogen must circulate through the ecosystem. The cycles are called biochemical cycle, one water cycle, two carbon cycle, and nitrogen cycle. Example of ecosystem include one terrestrial rainforest, desert and tundras, and less aquatic rivers like in oceans. Unfortunately, ecosystem today face serious threats: one, pollution; two, deforestation; three, climate change; four, the damage lead to habitat loss, species extinction, and impacts in nature. How to protect ecosystem? One, preserve forests and oceans; two, reduce plastic waste; three, plant more trees; four, educate and inspire others to care for
question.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I am Nadia. What are the main components of ecosystem, and you give example of it? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Larissa. The next question. Okay, please, Lia.
Thank you to moderator. I want to question. My question is, what are three major features to ecosystem maintain into presentation, and what impact they have?
Okay, thank you for that. Okay, the next question. Yes. Okay. Please, Lia.
Okay, thank you, moderator and Mama. I want to ask about question about ecosystem. Why is only about 10% of energy transferred from one tropic level to the